Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, beauty tutorials and lifestyle. I film from city of Lagos in Nigeria. My goal on this channel is to help you build multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, then you should consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here again. So today I'll be sharing a video on how to create a playlist. I've got a lot of requests on that, and that is why I'm bringing this on today. So let's get right into today's tutorial. So here is what my browser looks like. Yeah, the screen of my browser. So I'll just go here, there's some icon here, then I click on YouTube. Okay, so this is what my YouTube dashboard looks like. So from here I will head straight to this place. Can you see this icon here with my display picture? I'll just click on it, then I click on YouTube Studio because that is where I'm going, my YouTube Studio. Please note that I'm doing this on my personal computer, that's my laptop. So from there I come here, my playlists. Can you see this? So this is what I have. I have this because I have a lot of playlists already on this channel. So if it's a channel you don't have, you've not created any playlist, then don't worry about it. You have something like this, but then you won't have this playlist. You won't have all this playlist here to just be blank, empty, because you've never created a playlist before. So I'll just come right here, new playlist, because that is what I'm trying to create. So I'll click on new playlist. So the title, it's asking me that what title do I want to give to my playlist. So I'll just type something. Let me just use Dropshipping Business. Dropshipping Business in Nigeria. So that's the title of my playlist. Dropshipping Business in Nigeria. Dropshipping Business in Nigeria. That's the title of my playlist. So it's asking if I want it to be the visibility, if it's public, private, or unlisted. So I'm going to leave it at public. Okay, so then I just clicked on create now. So can you see it here? This is the playlist I just created, but it's empty because I have not added videos in the playlist. So that is what I want to do now. So I'll just click on this pen-like icon here, the pen-like icon. So can you see? This is what I have. There are no videos in this playlist yet. Yes, I know. So if you want to add descriptions to the playlist, like you want to tell us what the playlist is all about, like when people come to check this playlist out, this is what they're going to know. Oh, they are going to have an idea that okay, this is what he or she has in the playlist. So you can choose to add your description here, but for this video I won't be adding description. You can choose to, and you might choose not to add. So I'll just come here. Can you see those three dots? I'll click on it. So add videos. Can you see add videos? And if you want to collaborate with other creators, you can click on this collaborate option here. So I'll just add video. So can you see it's asking me? I can actually choose to add any video, even if it's not my video. I can choose to add other people's video to my playlist, but for me I am not adding any other person's video. I'm adding just my own video. So I'll just come here, your YouTube videos. So I'll click on it. Can you see it brought out all my videos, like all the videos I have on this channel? So I'll just go ahead and add any video I want to, like any of my videos I want to add to this place. Even my live streams I've done close to a year now, they're not even public on my channel. It gave me option of adding them. So can you see everything? These are all my videos, so I can choose to add any video. So this is the first video I have on dropshipping one. So you can choose to add any video at all, like any video at all. So I'm trying to add all my videos that has dropshipping. This as well. So you can choose to add as many videos as possible. This also is one of my dropshipping videos. So I'll just go ahead and add anything I feel will be needed for somebody who is trying to start a dropshipping business. So that's it. You can choose to add as many videos as you want that suits the title of that playlist. And playlist is very important if you have different niches. Like me, I talk about business, I talk about DIYs, I talk about lifestyle, or anything I find interesting, I talk about them. So this actually playlist helps you in grouping them together. Like for somebody who does not have just one direct niche, for me playlist is actually good because it helps me group my videos into one. My dropshipping video goes into one playlist, while my DIYs videos go into one. My lifestyle or movie review videos go into one list. So that's actually one of the importance of creating a playlist. So I'll add this to it. So I think I'm fine that way. So I'll just go ahead, add videos to that playlist. Can you see? Simple as ABC. So I have all the videos. Dropshipping, this is the new playlist I just created, and it has all my videos, all my dropshipping videos. That is actually how to create a playlist. Like anybody, it's public on my channel, anybody can view this. And if you want to privatize it, you can still come here. Unlisted, for unlisted, only those who you share the link with can view the video, and this is for private, only you can view it. So as you deem fit. So I let it stay on public, and that is just how to create it. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you want to watch, any tutorial you want me to share with you, please drop them in the comment section and I will do a video on it. So I recently got a request on how to add thumbnail to videos, to YouTube videos, and I've actually replied the person. I did voice note. But if you're still having issue adding thumbnail to your videos and you would love me to film a video about it, please let me know in the comment section. Whatever it is you want me to talk about, tutorials as regards YouTube, I am ready to share everything with you. Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to your comments. I'm waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video to as many friends and creators you feel might be needing this video. I also have a lot of videos on dropshipping, site also ideas, and also where I shared content of importers you can dropship for. Please check them out on my channel. You guys know how much I love you. Like, I love you. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless you.